Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
Yes, a bad fuel injector can indeed cause a multiple cylinder misfire. This typically happens when the injector fails to deliver the proper amount of fuel to the engine, leading to an imbalance in the air-fuel mixture. This imbalance can cause the engine to misfire across multiple cylinders. Regular maintenance and prompt attention to engine performance issues are crucial for diagnosing and fixing such problems efficiently.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.